In this video, I am going to show you how to sell XRP on crypto.com. Firstly, launch the app on your mobile device. Go to Accounts from the home screen. Tap on Crypto Wallet under the Accounts section, then choose XRP from your list of assets. Tap on Sell Crypto. You'll be redirected to a new page with selling options. Select cash to convert your XRP to fiat currency, or alternatively you can choose crypto if you want to swap XRP for another currency. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to sell, then select the preferred fiat wallet to receive the money. Now tap the Sell button at the bottom. A confirmation window will appear for 15 seconds, showing the amount of fiat you'll receive. Just review the details and confirm. The XRP will be converted to fiat and credited to your crypto.com or fiat wallet. You can now withdraw the funds to your linked bank account if needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.